activity. To use the healing brush tool to remove wrinkles in a photograph. Open the image that needs repairing. Select the healing brush tool from the toolbox. From the options bar, select the brush size as 40. Hold down the Alt key and click at the required point to select the sample point. Bring the pointer over the areas which you want to replace with the sample pixels and click the sample pixels with the mouse. Click to paste these over the flawed areas to replace the entire area with sampled pixels to heal the image. You can use Alt plus click in between to select a different sample pixel source if required. Save the file by another name using the Save As option of the File menu. Then close the file.